In bridge construction, barges and shear legs are essential for transporting and erecting large components over waterways. Prefabricated sections, such as steel trusses or concrete segments, are loaded onto barges at fabrication sites and transported directly to the construction location. Multiple shear legs, which are crane-equipped vessels with massive lifting capabilities, are often deployed to lift and maneuver the structures through waterways. By working in unison, these shear legs ensure stability and precision during transportation. Upon arrival, they lift the components into place, minimizing the need for extensive land-based infrastructure. This approach streamlines the construction process, ensures precise placement of bridge elements, and enhances overall safety and efficiency.